Well, some Johnson County mayors are considering more action to help slow the surge of COVID-19 following this morning's presentation by the county's public health experts. Fox Sports' John Pepitone is live at the public health offices in Mission. John?
Yeah, that's right, Carrie. You know, Johnson County officials announced this morning that the state of Kansas will provide more efficient KN95 masks to local governments that adopt mask requirements for their workers and visitors to government buildings. Now, some Johnson County mayors continue to be concerned about staff shortages at hospitals and the lack of beds available to treat COVID patients or anyone else who needs hospital care. The county reports that there have been 30 COVID deaths just since January 1st. That's more than 2 a day, with the overwhelming majority being unvaccinated individuals. Those who were vaccinated either were not boosted or they had pre-existing conditions that hampered their immune response. So this continues to be a pandemic of the unvaccinated. Advent Shawnee Mission has reported that it is now treating more than 80 people for COVID-19.
We've had to work with a couple of them the last few days to get ventilators. And again, I can tell you that we are having conversations with them and our medical examiner on how to handle excessive death because they are running out of morgue capacity also.
Now, many Johnson County school districts have had to re-implement mask requirements for older students. That includes Blue Valley, DeSoto, Olathe, and Shawnee Mission. Schools can no longer conduct so-called test-to-stay programs that are designed to keep kids in class because of caseloads and an overwhelming volume of testing that's now needed. The county says its 2 mass testing sites, Johnson County Community College and the Church of the Resurrection, are going to expand their testing hours. Beginning tomorrow, they'll operate from 7 a.m. until 6 p.m., and the county is going to establish a 3rd mass testing site next week at Shawnee Mission Park. All of these testing locations will require appointments beginning tomorrow. Finally, some of the mayors are pushing for a county-wide mask mandate again, but Chairman Ed Eilert says with a high vaccination rate here in Johnson County and an inability to enforce mask rules, he believes a county-wide mandate would not be effective. However, the mayor of Prairie Village says 4 cities in northeast Johnson County will begin enforcing a municipal mask mandate that begins Tuesday. Now, this mask requirement is going to be different in that it targets individuals instead of businesses for enforcement of the rules. Businesses would not be punished if a hard-headed customer refuses to put on a mask. Instead, these cities would issue a citation to the individual. Carrie?